Want to change your Apple Watch face? You can switch to a new watch face and even customize it the way you like. In this video, I'll show you how to change the watch face on your Apple Watch. So let's get started. Method 1. Change watch face using Apple Watch. Just press and hold on to the lock screen. This will bring up the watch face editing mode. Swipe left or right to browse through your existing watch faces. Tap on the watch face you want to use. If you want to add a new one, then swipe all the way to the left and tap the plus button. Use the digital crown to scroll through the available watch faces. Tap Add. Now tap Add Face to add a new watch face to your collection. Now if you scroll the digital crown, you change the time style. Tap on the digital crown and then tap on the screen. And it has been changed. Method 2. Change watch face using iPhone. If you pair your Apple Watch to your iPhone, grab your iPhone, open up the Watch app. Next, tap the face gallery from the bottom. Now scroll down and choose the face. Select a font from the middle. If you scroll down, you can set numerals, view, style, and more settings. After setting all these, scroll up and tap Add. Now grab your Apple Watch and see what happens. And there you have it. This is how you can change the watch face on your Apple Watch. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.